All right. Um, Much trickier. Let's culminate the whole week here. Let's fill in a triangle, couple of angles, and a side length from what we have. All right. I've started number one with my old pal Pythagorean theorem because I'm given, and for this stuff, you got to take what's given to you. So I'm given two side lengths, okay? So I can find the long side, the hypotenuse, using Pythagorean theorem, okay? A squared, B squared equals C squared, okay? So let's go to work. Let's find the third length, okay? I know it says C squared over here, but let's solve for B, all right? Here we go. I know 3.1 squared plus 8.9 squared, that gives me, when I do the work on this, square this, that gives me 88.2, okay? And that square rooted, the square root of that, right? To figure out what that is, A squared, B squared, C squared, my side length is 9.4. Okay, so B, the hypotenuse, is 9.4. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. I got my 9.4. Now, a little tricksy. I gotta figure out just one of these angles because I know a triangle adds to 180. So I know 90. If I find one of these, I can get there. Here's how we do it. And this is graphic calculator business. What I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna use tangent. I like tangent because I just gotta go opposite, adjacent, and I'm home free, okay? Now here's how it works on a graphic calculator. There's different versions of these. I use Wolfram Alpha. You have one on your phone. You have a graphic calculator, maybe a TI-84. Here's how we do it. It's tangent, okay? And it's the up caret 1. So it's tangent to the negative first, okay? Tangent negative 1. And then I take that and I put it in parentheses, and I'm gonna use the opposite over the adjacent. 8.9 over 3.1, okay? Now, very important, when you're doing this, make sure that your calculator is in degree mode, not radian mode. Very, very, very big thing, okay? So just check that you're in degree. Here we go. I plug that in and I get about 71, okay? 71, and that's this angle, A. Well, if I have 90 and 71, I got 90, 71. If I subtract those from 180, angle C gives me 19 degrees, okay? So used Pythagorean theorem to figure out the side length and used my tangent to the power of -1, okay? The inverse, if you want to use algebra terms, we'll put it in the inverse, okay? Remember, no bad